Plunket has touched the lives of almost every Kiwi mum and baby for over 100 years. The Royal New Zealand Plunket Society is New Zealand's largest provider of support services for the development, health and well-being of children aged birth to 5 years. Our Well Child service sees 90% of Kiwi babies. Every day, more than 700 Plunket nurses and health workers visit New Zealand homes to record health information. Each child's information is recorded in a 50-page Plunket health record, or as we call it, a PHR. Because of privacy requirements, our nurses spend a large amount of time each day collecting and returning PHRs to offices where they are stored securely. We see 55,000 new babies every year. This means hundreds of thousands of paper files which need to be kept for a period of 10 years. For us to maintain the highest clinical quality systems, the auditing of these paper-based PHRs is a time-consuming task. All of these factors, plus a changing health environment, led Plunket to the opportunity and the benefits of using technology. Moving to a digital platform will improve the consistency of nursing practice within Plunket. Overall, it will help us to offer a more responsive service to our customers. Our nurses will have real-time data at their fingertips, and this is something that we've never had.
Plunket came to us with a vision to replace their heavily paper-based system with Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. Plunket's call centre, Plunket Line, already operates on Dynamics CRM, so this trust and experience alongside the consultations we had in scoping the requirements contributed to a high degree of comfort with the solution. The solution provides a full suite of tools from a very smart frontline Windows app for use by mobile nurses in the field to secure data storage, all built on top of Dynamics CRM. By directly uploading all records electronically to CRM, Plunket ensures a client's data is protected and secure. Critical metrics needed to be tracked, analysed and reported, so by moving to electronic records, Plunket increases efficiencies, holding real-time data that they can share with funders and health providers while enabling frontline staff to spend more time working with clients. It also combines the rich functionality and security of Dynamics CRM Online with an easy-to-use app for Plunket's nurses in the field. Despite the significant complexity of the solution behind the app, the nurses only see what they need to see in order to do their job. The app steps them through all of the information they need to collect on a visit, and they can use it whether they are online or offline. The solution enables Plunket to respond rapidly to any outbreak or public health situation, providing incredible value to their clients and frontline staff in a situation which would have historically been difficult. The real-time data collected gives health providers an unprecedented 360-degree view of the child's progress and the well-being of their whānau.
Rather than gathering paper files at the start of each day, our nurses are going to access secure online data. This will mean that they regain precious time which can be used to see additional customers or spend longer if required at visits. Although the demise of the paper record may be mourned by some, in the short term Plunket will be able to reduce costs of paper, and in the longer term we will have a much more integrated approach to service delivery. Partnering with Core has given us the foresight that this is only the starting point of our technology journey. Plunket aims to deliver better services to our customers and communities through the use of technology.